Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail security tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to remove your Gmail from other devices and sign out everywhere from your Gmail account in order to protect and secure your Gmail from unrecognized sign-in device. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Gmail account. Having logged into your Gmail account, click on the profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on manage your Google account. That is going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security and sign in. The next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to manage all devices right here. Then here you go. You have all devices that is having access to your Gmail account. So if you find out that there is an unrecognized devices right here that is having access to your Gmail account, review it. For instance, this particular device here, so I'm going to review it. Click on review. So when you click on review, then it's going to ask you to re-log in or enter your login password. Then here you go. Now this particular device here is not recognized. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on sign out. Sign out on this Redmi A3S. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. Go ahead and click on sign out right here. Once you click on sign out, everything that has a link to this particular Google account on this device is going to be totally removed. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.